Hi, today we are at the Loch Lomond National Park. We're going for the Balmaha Millennium Forest Path. Gonna be interesting. Let's check it out. Wow, breathtaking view. Yeah, that's why it's taking my breath away. Yeah, it's getting colder now. My ears are freezing now. So, gotta bring your beanie so that you can continue climbing as the temperature changes. We finally made it to the top. Sweet bo. Steady boom BB. We're now in Conic Hill, Scotland, at this place called Loch Lomond.你们看，那牛哦也会看风景大便，你知道吗？你看排排坐的，一个一个的，向着外面，都在大便。It's getting dark, so it's about 4 now, 4:15. So we got to quickly move down. Already we cannot see much. It's during winter time, going to winter, the days are getting shorter and shorter. Right?